12, 13, 6, 9, 10, 10, 9, that's it, 9, 8, 9, 7, 9, 6.
Okay, that should be enough.
Why would it suck it up?
It's an electromagnet.
It's a solenoid.
I was looking
So
at
is that
backwards.
a piece of steel?
Yeah, this is all steel.
It's all steel.
This holds it shut, and when you energize it with the key, it sucks it up.
It sucks it up and
it's
then
not
allows
pushing
it to
it
start.
down. Okay, so
all I got to do is lift this up.
yeah. So wait a minute. So now
And all I'm doing is getting under there and prying up that little lever.
So now what we can do is set this in the coil, turn the key, and see if it sucks up. That's our test.
Okay.
Maybe we should get the spring behind you.
Paper.
Oh, sorry.
I just don't want to get diesel all over Hell West and Crooked on you.
This is here.
Hi. It's running.